Hello everyone, good morning. This is Andrea and I'm here with you with your weekly new releases. These releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern as per always, and let's just go ahead and get into these. I'm really excited about the foil this week and the kids and everything. So let's go ahead and just start at the top like we normally do. So the first thing we are going to go through is the color of the week, which this was requested to do kind of like a sparkly faux hollow texture. So that is kind of the vibes here. It is like a sparkly hollow. That's kind of the vibes. Obviously it's faux, it's not like real glitter, but it is just a print. So this is the color of the week. You do have these scribblers, all 6 of them, and they're available a la carte, as well as the doodles. The doodles are available a la carte, as well as in a buy all bundle, and they're so stinking pretty. Definitely need to get some extra sheets of these ones because they will go with literally any spread you're going to use a sparkly foil with or a sparkly hollow foil with. So I'm obsessed. So thank you for the recommendation. And this is number 99. 99 colors of the week. The next thing here is scribblers, and I did some little scribbler kiddos playing with blocks this week. So you have the normal 6 options here, and I thought those would be really, really cute for playtime. Then we also have some character stickers. So we have Miss Beyonce, so pretty, as well as the Queen of Hearts and Alice. So this is number 163, 164, and 165. The next thing I have to show you are the foil bundles. The foil bundles are available on Wednesday, and from Wednesday through Sunday, they are available on a discount. So definitely pick them up then. The first one here, both of these are in Confetti 2.0. But the first one here is a really pretty, it's almost, I want to compare it to matte bronze so you can see the difference. It's like a matte taupe. I think we've had matte taupe before if I remember correctly, but let me show you it against matte bronze. And then I'll also, I don't know if I have matte silver right here, against matte silver. So they're all kind of like cousins, but this is more of a taupey kind of color. A mauve of sorts. So if you can tell the difference, but I thought this would be really cute with this kit this week. I'm trying to like pull foils that I think would look good with the kits that they're releasing with. But I thought this one would be really pretty since it's a little bit more neutral and muted, and it is obviously a matte color, and it does have the normal 6 sheets, but it's really, really pretty. It would also go really well with rose. I don't know if I have any rose near me. Let me see. I have the light rose right here from last week, but this one's way more pinky. This is the light rose, so it would also go well with that. And it's just really, really pretty. Very nice and muted. It would also look really pretty with the farm kit. It would also look nice with the farmer's market kit. Lots of different kits. And then this one is really fun because I don't think I've done this foil before or anything like it really. And you're like, oh, Andrea, it's black. No, it's black hollow. Isn't that fun? I forgot that I ordered this. Let me show you with the light on because the studio light really dims it down a little bit, but we're going to get a good little angle there of the black hollow goodness. So pretty, so chic. We'll go with so many spreads. I feel like black foil just generally does. But I'm excited about this one. And like I said, I forgot that I ordered it, but it's going to be a nice like alternative to just plain black is this one. So I feel like this one is going to be very well loved. And then we can go ahead and get into the collections for this week. The first one here is called Easter Day, and this is art by Jess. It's so stinking pretty. Love it, love it, love it. I love the muted colors mixed with the marble. It's so fun, so cute. It's just very festive while still being kind of just general spring vibes, and I love these colors. Again, I think it would look really pretty with that foil. It also look good with matte bronze. It'd be really nice with silver as well if you wanted to kind of have a little more of a pop, or if you want to be like super poppy, you could do hollow as well with this. I think that would be nice. So pretty. Or our like light blue color, ice, would be nice with this as well. Ice and nice. Like a matte green. I think Hannah has a green that's like more matte and muted. Would be nice with this. Or almond, I think it's called. But I don't know if it's called almond. I think it's called something different. But that is Easter Day. It also does come in a mini kit, and then there are add-on options. So let me show you those. So you do have the doodle, you have functional, as well as the ombre label 2, which is a little bit of a darker pink color. And then you do have fam options. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, as well as the extra just like fan boxes, which are kind of like grandmas. They are just people with grayish of sorts hair. So super cute. Love the extra fashion boxes. I think those are adorable. Then we'll go into the other Easter kit. This is Risen, and I love this colorway. So stinking pretty. It is kind of like opposite of that. This is more like muted pastels, and this is more bright pastels, which I love them both. I love the stand mixer and the eggs, the food, of course, and the cake. But again, much brighter and springy pops of color. I feel like using both of these. I'd use this one on Easter and then the other maybe the week before or week after, because the other one gives a little bit less Easter vibes, which I like. But this one is more like pow pow Easter. So that is this kit here. I think this would look really pretty with hollow, lavender, hollow mixed, or lavender, hollow, sparkly, hollow, regular hollow, sparkly, hollow, silver. Something like fun and bright, but also be really nice with light blue as well. I think that would be a really pretty combo for that one. So that, again, is Risen. And then the add-on options for this one is Doodle. There is also Functional, Ombre, label 2, which is really pretty, and then there is more fashion boxes if you want to add those on. Lots and lots of fashion people in this kit. And then last but certainly not least, I'm obsessed with this, and I'm like, I might need to rearrange my February lineup because I think that this art was so well done, and this is called Black History, and I just think it is stunning. I love the colors. I love the people. I love the elements. I just think it is so good. There's so many really fun foils you could do with this. You could do a matte bronze. I even think actually this would look really pretty with it as well, because it kind of almost matches like this color, but also we had like a brown color come out recently that would be nice with this, or like a caramel kind of copper color would be really pretty, would pop. Or one that I think that I would go with is rose gold, but also Hannah has this autumn tie-dye that might be really cool as well if you want to kind of like bring in a bunch of different foil colors. I love that. So here are your full boxes. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up. I just think it is so pretty and just, again, well done. And I love these colors. Definitely could use this anytime. The patterns are so good. I love this one. And then the grid is just so good. I would think a black grid would be really fun with this as well. Just so stinking good. And then you have some fashion boxes here. And then there is a fashion add-on. So let me show you that then too. So this does come in an ultimate and a mini, of course. Also, mystery spots are open. And let me tell you that this month's mystery is epic. But honestly, they just kind of like, good luck with this year because they're all epic. They're all epic. Mini kit. And then let me show you add-on options. We do have the doodle. Oh, we have something extra for this. I forgot. I was like thinking, I was like, that's a good idea. All right. So we have the doodle, we have the functional, we have the label, we have the ombre. We also have fashion, which has more skin tone options for the people in this kit. And then I thought that this just made sense for this kit. And while I was doing it, I was like, I wish I had scribblers for every kit. But I went ahead and did Imani in the colors of the kit because I thought that that was kind of perfect. So she is in her normal character setup for like colors of the week, but she has like colors as far as like the mug and the blankets that are like colors of the kit. But I feel like this would go with a lot of stuff, and it's just like a different skin tone, not skin tone, different colorway of her. So I thought this was really cute, which makes me want to do more like caramel and brown color of the weeks as well. But I just thought this would be really cute to add in here and kind of go with the overall vibes of the set. And I just think it turned out so stinking pretty. And I'm just like, February. I might want to throw this into February. So beautiful. And again, very, very well done. So that is everything for this week. Again, all new releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern, as per always. The color of the week is available Wednesday through Sunday, and then it goes bye-bye forever because there's too many to just keep those in stock. It just doesn't work. The foil bundles will be on that special pricing, the special sale pricing, through Sunday as well. So definitely get your hands on them then. Also, I always have some kind of little flash sale going, and I leave it up for the week so that you have the opportunity to purchase it. Last week, which it might still be up if you're watching this video as soon as it comes out, it was the flower a la carte sheets, flower foil a la carte sheets. They're so stinking cute, perfect for spring. Sprinkle them in with some confetti bundles, sprinkle them in with literally anything. But those were like 50% off. So always check the flash sale on the shop. I have been trying to put it also in the new release section, just so while you're in there, you see it, you grab it, you want it, you got it, you like it. And that is everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.